firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For this video, today is July 27th, so you can have an adult print the sentence that goes with July 27th. You can watch this video on any day. The date is not important, it's just used as an example. Okay, so how many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Can you say them with me? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the 12 months in a year. Today we're talking about July. So all our worksheets that I say you could take out this worksheet are for free. They're under free worksheets at firststepreading.com. So here's the calendar. You can circle the month July. I recommend putting these in either zip bags so you can write and erase so you don't have to keep printing these every day, or getting these pocket folders that are dry erase pocket folders. So July comes after June or before August. That's the month we're talking about. July. You can circle that now, and now we're going to figure out the date by counting and figuring out the next number. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's a 2 and a 7 to make 27. I have to figure out what color to put here because we have an ABC pattern, a black, red, white. So let's see. Black, red, white. 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 27 on this calendar, since it's an ABC pattern, should be in white. So now on my paper, I circle 27. 27 comes after 26 and before 28. And when I say July 27th, I add a TH sound in a date. July 27th. That's how I say it. Now you can take out this paper because we're going to use it next, the days of the week. First, we moved on to a new letter of the day. Today is O. A short vowel O says ah, 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 like off, or in dog, ah, but we're going to work on the long vowel O, and it says its name O, like in words like bone, O, okay? So since we're talking about the month July, it's in the season of summer. And the weather is going to be different even in the same season depending on where you live. So in order to figure out the weather, I look out the window and I see I can go swimming today. It's a hot day. Where you live, maybe it's pretty hot but you can't go swimming. That's called warm. If it's kind of cold, then you'd say cool. If it's very cold, you say cold. So you pick one of those and you color in the box above one of those if you have your weather report. And then you pick something that describes the weather the best. For me, it's not raining today. It's not cloudy. I can definitely see the sun. It's not windy. The leaves and the branches aren't swaying. There's definitely no snow. It's not snowy. It is sunny where I live today. So for me, it's hot and sunny. And since I'm talking about July, it's the summer. There's 4 seasons in the year. Summer's our hottest season. Then it cools down in the fall. And another word for fall is autumn. The leaves change colors. They start falling off the trees. And then it gets to our coldest season, which is winter. And in some places it snows in the winter. Then it starts to warm up in the spring. The leaves come back on the trees. Flowers start to bloom. You may get a lot of rain where you live in the spring. Then it gets to our hottest season again, summer. So those are our 4 seasons. Now we're going to sing our 7 days of the week song so we can fill this out. If you know it, you can sing it with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Monday. So since today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. It was still the weekend. So on your paper, today is Monday. And you look back up here to figure out the next 2 questions. Since today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. Since today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. So it will look like that. See, look here, yesterday, tomorrow. That's our days of the week. So tomorrow's going to be Tuesday. So now we're going to do math together. If you have your skip counting papers, you can take them out and look at those. You read the numbers in the black. If not, you can read it with me. We're going to start with 2's. 2's are in green up here. If it's in green, black, and red, you still say it because it's in green, right? So let's get started. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Good job. Now let's count by 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good job. Now we're going to count by 10's all the way to 100. You have to look up here. There's no paper for you. It is in red. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. That's counting by 2's, 5's, and 10's. I'll show you the worksheet you can use to practice. 2's, 5's, and there's the same thing for 10's. I recommend putting it in either a zip bag or a dry erase folder so you can do these over and over again because you don't want to forget them. So now, last week we were talking about AB patterns, ABB patterns, and ABC patterns. Now instead of showing you each one individually, we're going to try to figure out what the pattern is, and we're going to try to figure out what comes next based on which is the pattern, okay? I'm not telling you what the pattern is. You're going to have to figure it out, right? So let's figure out the first one together. Orange, circle, triangle, rectangle. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Which pattern do you think it is? AB, ABB, or ABC? Circle, triangle, rectangle. circle, triangle, rectangle. What should I label this pattern as? It's an A. If you said A, B, C, then you got it right. So what would come next? Circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. What comes next? A circle, because it's an ABC pattern. Now let's try to figure out the next pattern. White, green, white, green, white, green. Which one is it? AB, ABC, or ABB? White, green, white, green, white, green. Which one is it? It's an AB pattern. So I write the name of the pattern, A, B. And what would come next? White, green, white, green, white, green. It would be white. Okay, let's try our last pattern. Our last pattern is square, triangle, triangle. Square, triangle, triangle. What kind of pattern is it? AB, ABB, or ABC? Haley, do you know? Can you look up here? Oh, sorry, rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Which one is it? AB? ABB, good job. So here I write A, B, B. Then I can try to figure out what comes next. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. It'd be a rectangle. So that's what we're working on this week. We're going to see a pattern. We have to figure out what kind of pattern it is and then figure out what comes next. Okay? So let me show you the worksheets. We have, it's called Pattern Reviews online. It does not tell you what kind of pattern it is. So write what kind of pattern and circle what comes next. You have to figure it out. Big circle, small circle, small circle. Big circle, small circle, small circle. So here you would write ABB. You have to write what it is and circle what comes next. Here you have to write which one it is and then draw what comes next. Okay? And there's 3 of those. And this is kind of like a pattern test. You can try to do this by Friday. You have to name the pattern. You have to make your own pattern with what it tells you. And you have to draw what comes next. Okay? This one's kind of like your test on patterns. These ones are your practice sheets. Okay? So try to get those done this week. This is our last week on patterns, but this one is just seeing the pattern and trying to figure out which one it is and figuring out what comes next. That's our math. So again, 2s, 5s, and 10s, and pattern review sheets. Now we're moving on to science. We're talking about primary and secondary colors. So our primary colors, you can print these out. Our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Okay? And this is the worksheet that you can do. This is the answers. So it tells you what to color it. I'm going to switch these so that I can reach to color it with you. Hopefully it comes right off. Oh, here we go. Put this one over here. Oh, does not want to stick here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to color it with you. Let me move this. So I'll show you how to do it. So you need your primary and your secondary colors. My primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So I do red in this, yellow. See, it says primary, primary. So if I mix yellow and red, I make orange. So then I color this one orange. And this one says if I mix blue and yellow, what color will I get? Green. Green. Careful, please. Why? Because you have your hamster. And this one says if I mix blue and red, what color do I get? I get purple. So this is how you do that worksheet. So your primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and your secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. There's 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. Primary colors are your basic colors. You can't mix anything to get them. You have to start with red, yellow, and blue. And you mix them together and you get your secondary colors. So I'm going to show you how that works. Can you please put the hamster upstairs and then you can do it with me? Or put him in his cage down here, the bin in the kitchen. Thank you. Carefully hold him. Okay. So this week we're going to show you different ways you can do mixing. You need to do it with an adult though. Okay, this is food coloring in water. I have my primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Okay. 3 more cups for mixing. Haley, you want to help? Okay, here's my empty cups. On my first one, yellow and red. So, Haley, you want to help? Come. And help pour this. Yellow. What color do you think yellow and red's going to make? Let's make a prediction. No, yellow and red. What color do we think it's going to make? Orange. Okay, you want to put some red in? Just a little because it's a little stronger. It made orange. So we have our first secondary color. Now we're going to do blue, red, blue, and yellow. Make green. Let's see. Make a prediction. Blue and yellow. Yeah. Carefully. Don't knock it over. And what color did we get? Green. Good job. And last, we have to mix our blue and our red. Blue. And red. What color do we think we're going to get? Orange. Yeah, let's see. Keep going. What color did we get? Purple. Purple. So blue and red made purple, and we saw yellow and red made orange, and blue and yellow made green. So these 3 colors are our secondary colors. How about ordinary colors? So I just used this chart. So you can do that with an adult to try to figure out what the answer is going to be. So you can get primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, food coloring, and you can mix them. I just put food coloring in water, and you can mix them in empty cups to find your answers. So that's what we're working on this week. Primary is red, yellow, blue. Secondary is purple, orange, green. So that's what we're working on in science today. We're going to do it in all different ways. We'll practice mixing. just get that out of the way so we can move on to language arts. So for language arts, we're working on long vowel O, and we're doing vowel, vowel, consonant first. Okay? So let's first start with our vowel song. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So these 5 letters are our vowels. Every other letter is called a consonant. So let's sing our vowel, vowel, consonant song. And when we say our first vowel, we're going to say O this time. So let's get started. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Our first vowel says its name, O. Our second vowel says nothing. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Our first vowel says its name, O. Our second vowel says nothing. So we're working on long vowel O's. Monday, July 27th is where you can find this sentence. Let me get our colors. So our sight words are that, is, and my. My is a new one. I'll have to add it up here. We don't have it yet. My is a new one. So my, the Y is saying I, right? In this word my. We saw that in the word guy, right? And fly, where when Y is at the end of the word, sometimes it might say I or E. So it does it in this word too. My. So I'm going to underline my sight words. That, is, and my. And Haley, watch out. And I'm going to circle. What are you doing? Yeah. Oh, no. That's my sight word, so I'm not circling it. I have to know it. Now I'm underlining my vowels, and I'm going to get started. Nope, we don't circle anymore. Okay, watch out. You can help by standing there. All done. We're going to sound it out now. The consonant says its sound. The first vowel says its name. O. The second vowel says nothing. You want to help me? O. What's the consonant say, Haley? Mo. What's the word? Moat. That is my. No. O. What's the word? Coat. Moat, that is my coat. So make sure you're not guessing on your phonics words. You have to sound them out. Only your sight words you should know by heart. K-o-t, coat, right? We're working on oat words. Vowel, vowel, consonant. So please keep practicing your sight words. You don't want to forget them. And you can print this sentence and practice it. And we are on O in our book. on moat. It is the oat family. And here's the sight words. Okay? So you can read this story. You can watch your long Vowel O video. You can do your sight word flashcards. And for science, you can work with an adult on mixing colors. Today we did it with food coloring. Tomorrow we're going to try mixing colors a different way. So if you have food coloring at home, an adult that wants to do it with you, you can do that and do your color mixing worksheet and your pattern review. And I will see you tomorrow. Keep practicing your sight words. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.